UN55C8000. Yeah, this is our older TV. You can see it is June 2010, so almost 14 years old. Yeah, this is our older TV. You can see it is June 2010, so almost 14 years old. This TV, it turns on, it works, but it has the couple of issues here. This TV, it turns on, it works, and it has a couple of issues here. So the first one, the speakers, the customer said the one side of the speaker doesn't work, and each hdmi is moving, and you can see one of the USB port is gone. So he asking like if we can fix the speakers first, get the sound works, then if it's next we try to fix a couple of these HDMI ports. So he said he just need one or two to plug like a streaming device to it. So let's do it. Yeah, the TV power's on. I did hear the sound, but like he said, it just one side it doesn't work. Pictures on it is look really nice. It's a 1080p, but pictures looks good. Yeah, I just want to hear anything. Yeah, the sound is, there is a sound, but it's like very sharp. Like when you are playing the sound just from the tweeters, that's how it's the high frequency. All right, let's take it apart. So this TV, it has two speakers, small speaker, and one is a subwoofer. It has double speakers. I need to figure out what speaker is causing the issue. Yeah, I can see the problem. Look here. We're going to need to replace that speakers. I ordered the two speakers replacement, and you can tell the difference. This one is missing this rubber band around the speaker is missing from these two. Remember the wires is on the top, yes, but no, the red line should be this. So the wires, it should be in the top to touch the copper plate, not on the bottom. All right, let's play the music now. Let's connect this one. Yep, it's better sound.
It's vibrating.
Yep, it's going to. You see the difference? Listen now, that's a high frequency. This is a low frequency. All right, that's the speakers. Yeah, back in the time, this TV, it was over $1,000. Now
Worth nothing.
So one of the hdmi it worked, and let's make another ones like this one here is moving, this one is moving, and I don't know if this one will work or not. Let's check number 2. Yeah, now hdmi number 2 works. Yeah, let's try to fix the other 2 HDMIs, then it should be good to go.
Okay, fast. Can you hold the wire for me? No, hold it to here, to the middle. Let me show you where. Right here. No. Put it in.
This is a aluminum solder wire, and it's stick good on the inox and the other. Yeah, that's fine.
In the middle also?
Yeah. HDMI number 4. Yep, the HDMI 4 works. Let's go to the HDMI number 3. The HDMI 3 works. And we already tested the HDMI number 2. Yep, it looks like it's detected. Yep, let's go HDMI number 1. Yep, it's there. So yeah, everything works. Yeah, sound works. All the HDMI ports works. So this is all for this video, and see you again.